Well, as you can see, we have a pretty decent snowstorm going on here today in central Minnesota. It's been a good day to just get out and play in the snow. Well, it was a day unlike many we've had this winter. A snowy one. The snow's coming down at quite a rate right now, and I don't know if it's ever going to stop. We took advantage of the snow today by running in it and playing in it while longing for activities a little bit more appropriate for a different season. What do you think of the snow?
Great, I love it.
What's your favorite thing to do in the snow?
Snowball fight.
And these sisters agree.
Snowball fight.
But today's snow wasn't really sticky enough to roll into snowballs. Now, a snowstorm like this isn't all fun and games. There's actually a lot of work to do as well. Between the shoveling, sweeping, and plowing, there's plenty to do anytime we get a big snowstorm here in central Minnesota. And in just a couple months, the snow will be gone, and we'll have tackled yet another Minnesota winter.